In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your accountant access to Kashflow. If you're looking to streamline your finances and make it easier for your accountant to keep things in order, then follow along with me. First, we'll start by navigating to the Kashflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your financial tasks and accessing various features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, our next step will be to head over to the settings area. Now, let's go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you'll find an array of options to customize your Kashflow experience to better suit your needs. From here, we need to delve into the permissions side of things. It's important to navigate these settings cautiously to ensure you're granting access appropriately. Within the settings page, look for the All MISC Access section. This area is essential for adjusting miscellaneous permissions and managing access levels for different users associated with your Kashflow account. Here, you'll see an option labeled Invite an Accountant. This is the crucial setting we need to enable. By doing so, you're preparing your account's backstage pass for your accountant, allowing them to assess your finances